So today's my wash day, and I received this package from Dollar Crow Club, and I got their shampoo. This is a gentle cleansing shampoo, and then I also got the detangling conditioner and the leave-in conditioner, and also in addition I got the curl defining cream. So let's wash this hair. This hair is 2 weeks or 3 weeks that I've had it in this twist, and you can see it's quite frizzy, it's a little bit tangled up, and it is dirty. When I mean dirty, I'm low porosity, it is so dirty. So after removing it, I'm trying not to cause any tangles in my hair. I'm being very gentle. You can see my hair looks dull, it doesn't look shiny. I can even actually spot the product buildup. So I put my hair into 4 walkable sections. Normally I do 5, but today I just want to keep it simple. So I'm going to use this hydrating gentle shampoo. Before I use the shampoo, because I said I'm low porosity, I saturate my hair for a long time with warm water just to kind of loosen up any product buildup, and also just to open up my pores, because with being low porosity, it's very hard for water or products to penetrate into your curls. So after doing that and I'm massaging my scalp, I take the shampoo. Now this shampoo, I thought it would be quite runny, but it wasn't. It's, as you can see, it has a little bit of thickness to it, but it glides really well. I put it on my scalp, massage it into my scalp, and my hair felt really nice. I mean, I could feel the shampoo doing its job. Of course, I always use my shampoo brush because it works really well to remove buildup from my scalp. And I liked it. I liked the shampoo. The shampoo didn't have bad smell. Everything smelled well. And I'm telling you, this shampoo almost acted like a detangler because it really made my hair feel silky and feel really nice. I don't know. It just felt amazing. That's all I have to do say. So I just continued on each parameter, each section. I just continued to just scrub my scalp really, really well. And then after that, working the shampoo through the length of my hair. Yes, I am a believer of putting shampoo through the length of my hair and all that. Now, you guys, this Dollar Crawl Club, they do have a discount code that they gifted to me. So please look in my description area and in the comment area. I'm going to drop the discount code so that you can try it out. Now, I want us all to try out this product line. The product line is called ManeTain, and I am loving it so far. And you all, as I just put it through my hair, I walked it through, it was really foamy. So if you're looking for lather, I was almost surprised that this was gentle cleanse because the lather it gave was amazing. I loved the lather and it felt really, really nice. I was mesmerized by that. So I decided to just wash my edges. If you don't wash your edges, you need to cleanse your edges because that's where we put those oils and those gels and whatnot. Wash your edges, take your time and use your one finger and just massage your edges. Okay? I want to thoroughly cleanse my hair with water, like rinse off the product. And I found that despite the fact that it had a lot of suds, it rinsed off really easily and really quickly. So I kept this in real time just to show you guys how quickly the suds rinsed off. You see, it took less than like 5 seconds and the suds went off. So after I removed everything, all the water and all the soap and everything from my hair, I put my hair back into those 4 sections like that. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to proceed to using my conditioner. Now, this is a detangling hydrating conditioner. This conditioner, as soon as I put in my hair felt like butter. Okay, can we say that? Butter. It felt so nice. Oh my goodness. And my hair was quite dry before. You saw the state of my hair. Look how dark my hair looks like. Yo, I said, okay, even I didn't need this comb, to be honest with you. But I said, let me take my detangling comb. Look at it. Look how the product just spreads easily with the detangling comb, and it felt so nice. My hair felt like silk. You are looking at my hair right now. You think I put a perm in my hair, but we don't do that. So yeah, so I just applied, used it through my hair, used the comb, detangled my hair with the comb, and then I just twisted up my hair in that one section, and I proceeded to repeating the same thing on the other sides. And after doing that on the back side, which is my area that tangles up even the most, this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just going to keep this in my hair for 5 minutes. That's all you need. 5 minutes, and rinse it off afterwards. After I rinsed it off and I took my shower, this is what my hair looked like. I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, which is very hydrating, and it's a straightener, so it straightens your hair and makes your hair feel so good. So I'm applying it throughout my hair on one side, then repeating the same thing on each of the quadrants. I always work in sections, and to be honest with you, normally I don't wash my hair loose like this. I can't remember the last time I washed my hair loose like this. I wash my hair usually in twists, but today I just said, let me try something different. So after doing that, you can see I'm putting my hair back into those twists, and my hair shrinkage is crazy. You can see so much shrinkage. Anyway, so after doing that, I just worked on the last section at the back, and then I decided to just use the curl defining cream. So this is something new I'm trying. So I used the curl defining cream. I took the one section that was oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you. You guys look at the curls. Just take a moment. Let us just appreciate this curl. I'm gonna just shut up and let us just appreciate this curl. Oh la la. Anyway, so so after that, I just took one section, I split it into half, making it 8 sections. So I put mine into 8 sections. I did my getting ready and everything, and then I proceeded to my studio area. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking my hair, I'm going to section it the way that I want it to fall. I like a side part. I'm just one of those girls. I love a side part. And then I'm going to start twisting my hair into smaller sections, not super mini small, but just the size I like. I don't like super mini small because my hair tends to want to lock up if I do it that way. So I'm calling this like a medium, not pencil size, maybe two pencil size. And I'm just going to twist up my hair. To be honest with you, I did not count how many twists I want, but hey, you guys take the liberty, pause right now and count how many twists do I have in my hair. Whoever can guess the number, put it in the comment area. So I let my hair dry. This was in the morning, and by evening time, my hair had dried. You all, I am low porosity. It takes me sometimes 2 days, 3 days for my hair to dry, and my hair had dried. When I say dry, I mean it has dried like maybe 95%. Maybe 5% wasn't dry, but 95. That is for me a game changer. I love how soft my hair felt and how plump. Look how plump they felt. Normally, I don't get this plumpness until day number 3. And of course, shrinkage will never make me great. Shrinkage doesn't want to show me my hair. So I just decided to just wrap up my hair. I'm trying to learn how to use this curl clip. But to be honest with you, the Dollar Club, this Dollar Curl Club, this product, it's amazing. I want you guys to join me. Use my coupon code down in the comment area. Get your own. Let's try this out because my hair feels so soft, you all. And I'm going to be showing you throughout the month of March and onwards just how this product is working on my hair. I would love you to join me. If you're going to join me, comment below and get your product. Use my link. And thank you so much, Dollar Curl Club. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, I love my melanin.